I'll go up to the menu bar and I'll choose Word and Preferences, and then I'll click the Edit option, and this brings up the Edit dialog box. In the Cut and Paste options, I'll click Settings, and this is where you can customize the different paste options in Word. With the first option, Word will automatically fix the spacing between words and sentences. If you paste a paragraph from one document to another, Word will automatically adjust the spacing before and after the paragraph. If you paste a table, Word will fix the table's appearance and position. If you're pasting text with a different style, Word will try to do its best to blend those two styles. And if you copy something from PowerPoint and paste it into Word, this option will do its best to merge the formatting. The same thing is true when you paste something from Excel into Word. And if you paste a list, like bullet points or numbers, into another list, Word will combine them so that they all look consistent.